Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok live comments if they're not showing up. Let's get started. First, check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. A weak signal can block comments from loading. Next, restart the TikTok app and make sure you're using the latest version by checking for updates in the App Store. After that, make sure the problem is fixed. If not, the next step is to report the problem. In the Report a Problem section, navigate to Live, then Viewing Live, where you'll see the specific issue, I can't send or see live comments. Tapping on this will present you with a process to troubleshoot. First, confirm you haven't been muted by the host or a live moderator, and that you haven't been banned from sending comments due to a violation. If, after following that process, the issue persists, press the No button when asked if the problem is fixed. If you're viewing someone else's live, try clearing TikTok's cache in Settings, then free up space, and tap the Clear button next to the cache. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the issue of TikTok live comments not showing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.